I am Balkaran. I am from class 10.
I am Jagraj. I am from class 10. We are from Sri Niketan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Tiruvallur.
We know this. Every year, a major problem is for Chennai, and every year the states is nothing but flood. This flood has shattered the Chennai in 2015. For this, we have to find a solution. So I have created this project. Like Jagraj will explain about the project.
We have made this prototype which contains the house which affected by the flood, and it is the division of which contains the electrolysis process through which the hydrogen and oxygens are produced. Oxygen is used for hospital uses, and this is hydropower generation through which the water flows for irrigation, and the propellant will rotate and through which the hydropower is generated, and it is the drip irrigation through which water can be saved easily, and it is the sprinkler irrigation.
Yes, this is the place which is affected by the flood. This house is trembling by the flood and the water is all over the house. So we have to first separate the water from the house. So we are using a motor which will separate the water from the house, and the water with the help of this tube will mount to this larger tank, and this tank will supply the water to all the divisions. Let's see how it works. First, this is the main tank. In this tank, as you can see, a large tube is there. In this tube, there is a propellant which can rotate when the water is flowing at a high speed, and it can use for generating electricity. And from that, it is divided into power. First, it's the biofilter. We can see every day we are using a biofilter which is using the ultraviolet, but this is more effective and more natural than that. It can be used, we can treat the water and can save here. So it can be used for a very drinking purpose and also for irrigation. Next is the electrolysis process. This electrolysis process, the water with the help of current is divided into O2 and H2O. We know that water is made up of H2O molecule, so water is divided into H2 and O2. H2 can be used as a fuel and O2 can be used in medicinal purposes. And next is the drip irrigation. We know that many irrigation methods are there, but in that effective one is the drip irrigation. The water is a drop by drop of the root of the plants, so that the plants are grown more effectively. And on behalf of it, there is a sprinkler system, which means the water is sprinkled directly to the roots and directly to the stems of the plant, so the water can absorb more water and grow more faster. In this project, the motor can be fully worked by solar panels, so there is no consumption of electrical energy. And this is the most cost efficient project we can make under 10,000 rupees. We have several future ideas in developing the prototype into a big project. It's nothing but we are going to add a feature called re-bore welling. It's nothing but in bore welling we can take the water from the underground, whereas in re-bore welling we will push the water again into the ground, so the ground level of the water can be increased. Next thing is that we are going to add a electro process. That's nothing but in water it will be mixed with salt. So if we conduct electricity from the salt water, this can be used for major purpose and also for the project. So in this prototype will be made into a big project in the future.
ஆன் பண்ணுறேன்.